Welcome to 10479 Cottage Way in the Knollwood community of Holland. I'm Heather Klontmaker with At Home Realty, and I'm pleased to introduce you to this home where here you get more than just a house. You get an entire amazing community. From the community pool to the playground to the green space here, you are going to fall in love not only with this home, but the surroundings as well. So let's head inside and take a look. I'm sure by now you have fallen in love with this home as much as I have. With an amazing community, a great home, what more could you ask for? Give me, Heather Klontmaker, a call today and we'll get you in for your private tour.